Imagine if you are a teacher. In your hurry to reach your classroom, you realize that you forgot about your teaching materials, and the blackboard catches fire for absolutely no reason. No need to worry. The future of education is no longer limited to the physical. With the IMAGO Smartboard, we offer all-in-one solutions for all your educational needs. Search the internet for the relevant information on the go as you teach. Are we teaching about ecosystems or about the human body? Oh wait, dinosaurs. Everyone loves dinosaurs. Our collaborative workspace program, IMAGO Collab, will surely enhance your teaching experience. Draw or write anything on the interactive whiteboard and highlight what's important. Our magic pencil tool will also give you a helping hand, turning your drawings into well-made clip art. Create comprehensive charts to bring those numbers to life. Use the comprehensive suite of diagrams and pictures that we provide, or search for them in our inbuilt browser. You can also upload media files on your device or through Google Drive. Collab is fully integrated with Google's services, allowing you to embed spreadsheets, documents, slideshows, and even YouTube videos in the whiteboard. You can also save all of the content on it to Google Drive and Google Classroom. And if you need some extra help, Collab comes with an inbuilt assistant. Our AI assistant can act as your consultant as you ask it the relevant questions. And also allows you to generate imagery with a simple prompt. Collab also comes with an interactive STEM module containing interactive simulations of physics, chemistry, and biology, allowing your students to understand these subjects with a new perspective. IMAGO Collab lets you collab. Work with your students to bring your lessons to life. Let your students contribute their creativity and reasoning to enhance their learning experience through their own devices. And if you ever need to review their work, Collab comes with a screen share function, ensuring each student gets individualized help and advice according to their performance. You can also escalate the online meeting from inside Collab to Google Meet and send invites via Gmail to suit your needs. We at IMAGO believe in education as the foundation of the future. Go IMAGO, go all in one.